Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, hard disk drive assembly, right trunk, right support bracket, right fan heatsink assembly, left trunk, left support bracket, left fan, system board, display panel assembly, display bezel, display panel, and left hinge bracket. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Carefully remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the webcam board and remove. Remove the display panel cable. Replacement. Insert the display panel cable into its connector on the webcam board and replace the retention tape. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure.